right, let's talk about permutations and combinations. In this first video here will just be about permutations. That's where you have an arrangement of objects in which the order is important. Like if I said, how many ways can you arrange the letters in the word July? Order would be important there. So if I sat down and started making me a list, I could write it like it's supposed to be, or I could write it backwards, or I could just start moving letters around like Y-U-L-J or U-J-L-Y or L-J-U-Y. It just seems like that would be an impossible task to get them all without missing one. So here's a better way called the fundamental counting principle. I do have an earlier video, maybe in a different subject, on doing that. But what you do is you take you're going to multiply the number of choices you have for each of those positions. Like for instance, how many places can I put the first letter, the J? Well, there's 4 places that I could put the J. So there are 4 places I could put the J. But let's just say I put the J right here. Now, how many choices do I have for the second letter, U? Well, I could put the U anywhere, but there's only 3 choices that I have for that. So let's say that I put the U there. How many choices do I have for the L now? There's only 2 places that the L could go. So I have 2 choices. And then for my 4th letter, there's only 1 choice left. So I'm going to multiply these together. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. And 24 times 1 is 24. Okay, so I've got 24 that I would had to have made without making a mistake. So this is much easier. I also want to show you for factorial on the calculator. If I press in my 4 and go to my math, slide over to probability, and then hit number 4, that little exclamation point, for factorial is 24. So there are 24 ways that I can arrange the word July.